Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. So I'm going to be doing a series on Onpassive to get you guys up to speed on this AI revolution so you don't miss the train. Let's dive in. Onpassive is a forward-thinking technology company at the forefront of the digital transformation. They're empowering the digital transformation, especially with their all-in-one CRM ecosystem. They're committed to empowering businesses and entrepreneurs with cutting-edge technology. Onpassive is driven to reshape the landscape through leveraging automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Check it out in the description. Mr. Ashmafara is wonderful in enabling businesses to thrive in the digital landscape. Onpassive has the core values of integrity, innovation, collaboration, and customer centricity, focusing on the customer experience. These values drive the company to make decisions and shape its approach with intelligent solutions, artificial intelligence solutions. Onpassive's unique approach combines advanced technology, comprehensive tools, and acute collaboration in their unique ecosystem. Onpassive has leveled up my business. The Mighty Miracle Man Rehab and Training is using it to go places and reach customers worldwide, all across the internet. Their holistic approach sets them apart from other consulting firms and CRM software. You should check it out in the description. Onpassive is a company that's committed to a digital transformation that revolutionizes business and how they make technology-driven decisions and come to solutions. Now, in this series, we'll dive into what Onpassive's products do and what all the ecosystem consists of. Stay tuned for tomorrow. You've made it this far. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.